Question is, a student has to select, all of you please try this question, 3 subjects out of 6 subjects: M, B, H, U, L and S. Only first letter of subjects are indicated in this question. So you can assume like math, biology, history, like all the subjects are there, okay? Law, science. Now, if he has chosen M, what is the probability of B being chosen? Come on, all of you do this question. Try this. I'm giving you one more question. 10 different letters. These are very good questions, okay? Letters of English alphabet are given. A word is formed using 5 letters with replacement. That means you can replace one with another. Okay, all of you, have you noted down the first question, please? Confirm. So that I can go for the second question. Okay, with replacements. Out of these, full stop, find the probability that at least one letter is. I hope every one of you have written the first question. Is repeated in the word. Okay, try these 2 questions. I'm waiting. Yes. So let's do the first one. See, the question which I've given to you are good questions, which a lot of thinking has to be applied for this. So please understand the first one, okay? See. So the first question given to you is, this problem. So a student has to select 3 subjects, okay? Out of 6 subjects. So number of subjects given to you is 6. So a student has to select just a second. So a student has to select 3 subjects out of 6 subjects. So there are 6 subjects. That is M, B, H, U, L, S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of this is he has to select 3 subjects. So every one of you know the probability of selecting 3 subjects out of 6 subjects is, here just we are selecting, we are not arranging. So it is combination, correct? But it is not that easy. They have not given some points here which you need to remember. Yeah. So there are 6 subjects like M, B, H, U, L, S. Out of these 6 subjects, 3 subjects have to be selected. So as we know, generally, if you want to select 3 subjects out of 6 subjects, the formula is 6C3. Okay. This is a general notion, but there are some conditions here. So if he has chosen M, so already he has selected M. So M is not there in the picture. So leftover subjects are how many? Please tell me. 5 subjects. All of you, please tell. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Are you people active? Yes. So you know, like a student has to select 3 subjects out of 6 subjects. Subjects are given to you. M is already a selected paper subject. So when M is a selected subject, the leftover subjects are 5. So here I gave you 6C3. You remember na 6C3? You remember na 6C3?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 3 subjects out of 6 subjects. Now one is already selected. So from this one subject I will remove, and from this also one subject I will remove. So the scope is to select 2 from 5. Why? Because one is already selected. Okay. So leftover is 5, and out of that I need to select 2 subjects because one is already selected. My aim of selecting 3 subjects, in that aim one is already been selected, so I can select only 2. Correct? Now this is the total number of cases which can happen. Okay, because one subject you should not consider. This is already kept aside. Leftover are 5. Out of that you can select 2. So total outcomes is 5C2. But what we want outcome. See, outcomes by total outcomes is the formula for probability. We need to select what? B. Correct? If M has been chosen, what is the probability of B being chosen? So if you want to select B, leftover choices are what? Excuse me. Excuse me. So now, like M is now, this is the total outcomes. Now outcome you want. Outcome is nothing but, this is the total outcome. You want B. Okay. So what they have, what is the probability of B being chosen? So if I select B, if I have to select B from this leftover, see, if I have to select B out of this, so B, if I select leftover are how much? 4. And B if selected leftover is how much? 1. Okay. So if I have to select B out of the leftover ones, so since if I keep B aside, okay, so the total, if I need to select B means B out of this 5 subjects and B out of this 2 subjects. Okay. So one subject would be left over. So 4C1 by 5C2 is the answer. All of you make a note of this. See, already you have 5 subjects in this. Okay, 5 out of 5, 2 subjects are already selected. You need to select only one subject, that is B. Okay, so since 2 have already been selected out of 5, okay, and out of 6, how many subjects are gone now? 2 subjects, correct? So left over are 4, and out of 4, 1 subject. Fine, because 2 have already been selected. Now we need to select only one subject, that is B. Let's go for the next question. See, this is also a very good question. 10 different letters of English alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are given. Okay. Out of this, now a word is formed using 5 letters. So a word is formed using 5 letters with replacements. So already I have given you that with replacement is nothing but this 10. You remember when I have given you the permutation combination chapter, I gave you a question of that wedding cards and the houses, correct? In that I gave you a formula. Repeating thing, whole divided, whole power, non-repeatable thing. So this is repeating thing. Okay. So 10 different letters of English are given. So out of a word is formed using 5 letters with replacement. So you need to make 5 letters word. Okay. So here these are 10, and then what can happen here? What can repeat? 5 letters. 5. 5. Correct? Correct or wrong? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 10 letters, and a word is formed using 5 letters. So in this 5 letter word, this can also come. Okay, this can also come. So in this way, we can say 10 power 5 ways. Now, so now 10 different letters of English alphabet are given. A word is formed using 5 letters with replacement out of this. So from 10 we need to make 5 letters, but the thing is here replacement can happen. If replacement was not happening, then it is 10p 5 ways. That ways we can arrange, okay? But here replacement is happening. That means the word can get repeated. So five letters can be the same, okay, in a word. So that is the case they have given. Very tricky question. Now the next problem, what they are saying, this is the we have to see outcome by total outcomes. This is the probability formula. So let us go ahead. Probability of no letter is repeated is equal to 10p5, that is 5 letters out of this without replacement, okay, without any repetition, divided by 10 power 5, okay, total number of cases. This is the total outcomes. The total outcomes is this, and if you want to select 5 letters from 10, that means if you want to arrange 5 letters out of 10 letters, the probability is 10p5. This is no letters repeated, but we have to find out at least one letter is repeated. So for this, you know already, you have a common sense. The easiest formula you already know, 1 minus 10p5 by 10 power 5. That means 1 minus, if no letter is repeated, is removed, at least one letter would be repeated. Correct? So this is the probability. All of you make a note of this. So here if I can write the formula. So formula here is number of arrangements with restriction, that is 10p5 divided by number of arrangements without restriction. That means repetition can happen. Yes, this is the formula. All of you make a note of this. So I'm giving you a homework. I'm giving you 2 sums as homework right now, and then some questions you need to solve. Please note this. I'm just giving you those questions. Okay, next. You just make a note of this. I am writing the question. So the homework questions are these. If you aren't getting, ask me. Very, very good questions. Very strong questions I'm giving you. An elevator starts with 5 passengers and stops at 8 different floors of the house. Find out the probability of all the 5 passengers alighting at different floors. Question number 1. Just make a note of this homework. Question number 2. If you are not getting, please tell me. Tomorrow I will solve these questions for you. Okay? But you should remind me. A bag contains 8 red and 6 blue balls. Stop. If 5 balls are drawn at random, what is the probability that 3 balls are red and 2 balls are blue? Come on. This is also a homework. Make a note of these 2 questions. Come on. Do this question. This question now you need to do. Come on, do this. So 2 cards drawn from a pack of 52 cards find the probability that both are red cards, and second one is heart and the other is diamond. So definitely, if you take two cards out of a pack of 52 cards, so you know how many are red cards? 26 red cards. So the probability of selecting two cards out of 52 cards is 52C2. This is the total outcome. And this is the total outcome, but the outcome by total outcome is the formula. Outcome is you want both the cards as red cards. So 26 cards are reds. So 26C2 by 50C2 is the formula. Come on, do this. Write down. And then do the second question. Why you people are not doing? I don't understand such. What is such a issue in this? It's a easy question. Yes. So it's very simple question. One heart and other diamond. So you know, heart cards are 13 cards. So from that you need to pick one, 13C1 into, since they said and into, other is diamond. So diamond are 13 cards, 13C1 all divided by total. This is the outcome divided by total outcomes, 52C2. Okay, all of you make a note of this. What are you doing actually, all of you? Why are you not giving answers for the questions? It's a strange thing, man. I don't understand. Intermediate abhi finish hua aap log ka, you're not getting answers. Okay, do this question. If two balls are drawn, one after another. If two balls are drawn one after another from a bag containing three red and five black balls, what is the probability that the first ball is red and the second ball is black? One ball is red and the other ball is black. Come on, do this question. Just a second, you just try, all of you. Yes, please try this question. So if two balls are drawn one after another from a bag containing 3 red and 5 black balls. So what is the probability that first ball? See, this is the, like Bayes theorem concept. This is the classic case of dependent probability. First ball is red and the second ball is black. That means the probability of first ball being red provided the second ball is black. Okay. So let's do this. The first case is dependent events case, correct? So probability of what is this? Probability of red ball provided black ball should already be there is nothing but probability of red ball into, let me probability of red and black ball divided by probability of black ball. They are saying what actually first ball is red now. Probability of red given black. Probability of red given black is nothing but probability, or we can write this way also. That is also equal to probability of black and red. These two are common, na? This and this would be same always. Probability of red. Okay. So we need to see first ball is red. Okay. And the second ball is black. So now what we can do is we need to see the probability of black and red ball. So they have already given us. So probability of 3 containing, what is the probability that first ball is red and second is black? So probability of B and R. Two balls are drawn and the black contain 3 red and 5 black balls. Hmm. And okay. So now what we will do is we will just cross multiply things here. Probability of red ball. So probability of black and red. So probability of red given black ball into probability of red ball. Okay. So probability of red ball is what? Very simple. In the question they have given 3 red balls are there. Okay. And 5 black balls are there. So 3C1 divided by 3 plus 5, 8 balls. So 8C1. So that is 3 by 8. Now probability of red given black. This is not a easy thing. Or else we can do one thing. So red ball should already be there now. Black probability of what is the first ball is red and the second black ball is black. Hmm. First ball is red, second ball is black. First ball is red and second ball is black in the sense black balls 5. So probability of this is probability of black plus probability of red minus probability of black and red is probability of black union red. So I need to just see this and then I need to subtract from this. I need to just remove this. What can be the shortcut case for this? So see, the red ball is already I've taken here, na? One ball, like probability of red being black ball should already be there. So black ball is already there. So leftover balls are how many? If black ball is already there, leftover balls are 7. Okay. So you need to pick red ball. And above, mm, two balls are drawn one after another containing 3 red and 5 black balls. Okay, I think it should be this case actually. Black, red. Because first ball should be red. The red ball is already there. And then second is black. Okay. Fine, fine. Just a second. That's what I'm saying. We are not getting an answer for this. I'll do it neatly. Just a second. Small this thing. See, they have said the first ball is red. That means the first ball is already there. And the second ball is black. That means probability of black ball given red is equal to probability of black and red by probability of red ball. Okay. Now, so probability of black given red into probability of red is nothing but probability of black and red ball. Now probability of red ball is like we have already seen there are how many red balls? 3 red balls. So 3 by 8 balls total. Okay. Outcome by total outcome. And probability the first ball is what is that they have said? First ball is red. So one ball is already there. So leftover balls are 7. And the black ball. So how many black balls are there? 5 black balls. 5 by 7. So the answer would be 15 by 56. All of you make a note of this. Just a small mistake has happened. First ball is red actually. I thought I was like that's what I'm seeing. Why I'm not getting the answer because like I thought first ball is black, but first ball is red. So red is already there. Now you have to pick the black ball. Okay, all of you make a note of this. We'll go for the next question. Come on, second question in this. See, the next question is very simple. Next question is one ball is red and the other is black. So probability of, so what is that they have given? So the required probability would be 3 red balls 3C1 into 5C1. One ball is red and the other is black divided by two balls we are taking out. Now, how many balls are there in total? 8 balls. 8C2. So let's solve 8C2. 8 factorial by 8 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So 8 into 7 into 6 factorial by 6 factorial into 2 into 1. We have to, yeah, so one and 4. 4 sevens are 28. So 3C1 is 3 into 5C1 is 5 by 28. So 15 by 28. All of you make a note of this. Second case is very simple. Only why this question I have given to you to solve is to know the difference between these kind of questions. Here the first ball is red and the second ball is black. That is, this is a classic case of dependent probability. One ball is red and another is black. That means they're not saying the first ball or second ball. Any one of them is red, any one of them is black. Okay. So all of you, probability is done. Those two sums you need to do homework. I am sending you the screenshots. Tomorrow be ready for the puzzle test chapter, and tomorrow we will do clocks chapter. Clocks, or I am planning to take surface areas volumes tomorrow, or any other chapter, any good chapter I am going to take. Okay. Okay. Tomorrow. So be ready for the class in the evening. See you tomorrow, all of you. Bye bye.